Harry WeeStars gather round. A tale of the Wild West is where we're bound. Jesse James, a name of fame, but the story's about more than just his name. In Missouri's hills, where the rivers flow, young Jesse dreamed of places to go. With his brother Frank, he would ride all day through the forests and fields where the deer would play. In Missouri's hills, where the rivers flow, young Jesse dreamed of places to go. With his brother Frank, he would ride all day through the forests and fields where the deer would play. But hard times came and the war rolled in. The family struggled, life grew thin. Jesse joined a gang, seeking thrills and gold, not yet knowing the story that unfold. But hard times came and the war rolled in. The family struggled, life grew thin. Jesse joined a gang, seeking thrills and gold, not yet knowing the story that unfold. One dark night, beneath the stars, Jesse planned to stop a train full of gold bars. We'll take that gold, he told his crew, and help the folks who need it too. The train had roared, the engine screamed, the gang was ready, or so it seemed. They stopped the train, the lawmen fought, and Jesse saw something he never forgot. On the train, his family near, shaking and trembling, full of fear. As he thought of his father's voice, a hero stands up for the right choice. Jesse stopped the fight, let them go. This isn't the way, and now I know that the family smiled, their hearts aglow, and Jesse felt something start to grow. He knew then that fame and gold weren't as bright as a kind heart's hold. That day on, Jesse changed his ways. No more robbing trains or outlaw days. He helped the poor, he made amends. He learned to be a hero to his friends. And so, dear WeeStars, what do we see? A hero's not in gold or in bravery. It's in the choices that we make to do what's right for goodness sake. Remember these lessons, 1, 2, 3. Think of others, be kind as can be. It's never too late to make things right. A true courage shines like the stars at night.
Thanks for joining us on WeeStars Stories. Don't forget to hit subscribe, share your favorite part of Jesse's story in the comments, and explore more adventures on our channel. Stay curious, brave, and bright. Until next time.